Tonneau Pro Trifold tonneau covers are among the highest quality tonneau covers produced on the market today. Aside from the unmistakable quality is how easy the Tonneau Pro Trifold cover is to install. We would like to invite you to sit back and watch one of our high-quality tonneaus being installed, but pay attention, it takes less than 5 minutes to install. Tonneau Pro Trifold covers are lightweight and easy to install by yourself. Just center the cover on the front end of the bed and the side rails and begin to tighten the clamps in the front until they are snug. Repeat this step on the opposite side of the truck. The second step is to unclip the snap clips located in the front of the cover, allowing the cover to unfold. The third step is to begin to adjust the rear easy clamps at the rear of the bed, again making sure that they are just snug. Shut the tailgate and make sure that the cover is centered around the perimeter of the top of the bed of the truck. Being that the clamps are just snug, you should be able to gently move the cover from front to rear or side to side as needed to center the cover over the bed of your truck. Once you have the cover in the desired position, fold the cover back into the open position in order to firmly tighten the front clamps. Before you fold to the open position, it is important to make sure that you secure your rear clamping handles into the lock position to avoid damage to your cover. You will notice a warning label that reminds you to do so every time you open your cover. Once you have tightened the front clamps and your Q gaskets are sealed, unfold the cover and make the necessary adjustments to tighten and secure the rear clamps. Now that your Tonneau Pro cover is installed, it can be used for a variety of purposes. The trifold cover allows its owner to have dual access to the bed of the truck. For access to the top of your bed, just fold the top open and use it for hauling just about anything. For access to the rear of the bed, just open the tailgate and now you have the ability to load and unload anything from golf clubs, tools and equipment, to camping gear. For security purposes, lock your tailgate to prevent any unwanted access to the bed of your truck and your valuable possessions. Tonneau Pro comes pre-assembled, so no drilling is required. Tonneau Pro is lightweight yet durable and offers a limited lifetime warranty. It's quick and easy to install, and along with its sleek, stylish good looks, offers one long-lasting feature. The aerodynamics of our cover provides its owner with gas savings of between 10 and 13%. Over time, Tonneau Pro can pay for itself. When it comes to quality, ease of installation, and price, it's no wonder why Tonneau Pro is so quickly becoming the consumer's choice. Get covered with Tonneau Pro.